Hello, everybody, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. And this is Tracy. I went to a local jazz concert yesterday, and they had a few pop-up tents. And there was a young lady down there from Southfield, Michigan, and her business is called Moonlight Minerals. And she had some beautiful, polished, semi-precious gemstones, and I purchased a few so that I could do some wire wrapping of necklaces and earrings. I've been looking for purple. I have a request to do a wire wrap necklace, and I have some purple agate that I was going to use, but I didn't have small enough pieces for earrings. I have a size big enough for a necklace. And so I've been looking for a purple stone, and I came across this young lady, and she has some beautiful amethyst pieces. Now, this is absolutely gorgeous. And they're polished. That will be nice for a necklace. And when I was down there, I was with some friends, and one of the young ladies has requested, well, she saw my stones and she wants me to make her a wire wrapped necklace out of this one right here. And then I have this one. They're all beautiful, different sizes, different shapes. Now these two are the closest ones that I could come to that looked kind of similar to do some wire wrapped earrings. So this is what I'm thinking I'm going to use for the earrings. We'll see how that turns out. And then I have two smaller ones, but these, they're not the same shape. They don't look too much alike, so I'm not going to use those. Now amethysts are said to have several physical healing properties, enhancing the immune system, improving the endocrine function, improving skin's appearance, promoting digestive health, reducing headaches, and regulating hormones. The next crystal I want to show you that I only got two of them, and these are rose quartz. They're a real pale pink stone, nice size for jewelry making, for the pendants, for the necklaces. And the rose quartz stone strongly attached to both the heart chakra and the throat chakra. What else do they say about it? It speaks softly to all kinds of love, from healing communication with family to developing a deeper bond with spouses and friends, and even bringing sweeter notes of self-care into your world. They're pretty. The next one I found that was interesting. These are called black agate, and they're black and gray bands of color here, and then some of them have brown bands, black, brown, and gray. I don't know if you can tell the difference in color, but this has some brown bands. These are really nice and different. I think these would be nice for either a man or a woman, depending on how I style the wire. And then what's said about black agate, it's used for grounding, balancing, and centering effects. It's closely connected to the root chakra. And it says, wearing jewelry made from this gemstone will bring you peace, balance your positive and negative energies, relieving anxiety and provide protection during hard times. I might need to make me something with one of these. I only got two of them. But I thought they were really interesting stones. Now the last one that I got, these are tiger eyes, and they're really, really pretty. They have beautiful bands. Try and put it close up to the camera. These are beautiful. I love tiger eye. And like I said, these are all polished, semi-precious gemstones. And this one is beautiful. I love the color. Now the tiger eye, it's a stone of protection, and it says it may also bring you good luck. It has power to focus the mind, promoting mental clarity, assisting us to resolve problems objectively. It's particularly useful for healing psychosomatic illnesses, dispelling fear and anxiety, useful for recognizing one's own needs in a relationship. Oh, I messed that one up. Useful for recognizing one's own needs in relation to the needs of others. There we go. Pretty pretty. So she only had the 4 stones, 4 types of stones. I was going to buy her out, but I think I did enough. I think I did enough to get me started on some beautiful pieces. And if you'd like to check her out, I don't know if you can scan her QR code. It's probably not clear enough, but maybe it is. Moonlight Minerals. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the jewelry. Not sure when I'm going to get to it, but it will be soon. Peace and love. We'll see you next time.